Welcome, curious learners. Today, we're diving deep into the latest weekly crypto analysis from Vantage Plus. It actually just came out today, August 25th, 2025. Our plan is to break down the market overview and then really focus on the technicals for some key tokens. Basically, give you a clear shortcut to understanding the momentum right now. Okay, so the report starts off with some, well, pretty interesting market stuff. We saw some big profit taking by whales, those large holders. But then tokens seem to just jump right back into an upward trend late last week. What's the report saying about that quick turnaround?
Yeah, that's a great point. It really highlights how things connect to the bigger economic picture.
Yeah.
The analysis mentions Jerome Powell hinting at a potential rate cut,
Oh,
and
okay.
that caused the dollar to, weaken a bit.
Right.
When the dollar loses steam, riskier assets like crypto often look more attractive, so that helped boost indices like the Nasdaq, and, well, the positive vibe sort of lifted most tokens along with it. It's like the market saw the whales take profit and just kept going.
That macro backdrop definitely seems important. But looking specifically at altcoins, something really jumped out at me. The report says Ethereum broke its high for the year again. That's not just a number, is it? That feels significant for the whole market.
Oh, absolutely. Not just a number. Ethereum is often seen as like a leader for the altcoin space.
Well,
So seeing it break its yearly high, that's a strong bullish sign. It suggests, if ETH can push higher, maybe other alts will follow, especially if they can break through their own resistance levels, those sort of price ceilings.
okay, so Ethereum's breakthrough might lift other boats. Does the Vantage Plus report look at how this might play out for specific altcoins, maybe ones with their own news?
It does, yeah. And that brings up XRP. The analysis suggests XRP might see some fresh upside, apparently fueled by renewed optimism about ETFs.
Right.
The ETFs.
Like the ETF.
Exactly. Retail investors are watching those really closely because they signal wider acceptance, potentially more money flowing in.
That ETF angle definitely adds another layer. Okay, let's dig into the technicals then, starting with the big one. Bitcoin. BTC is trading around USD 114,796. The report says that resistance zone near 120K is still causing some trouble, like a bottleneck. It seems like only breaking the all-time high from 2 weeks ago would really give it strong upward momentum. But it is a good sign, I suppose, that it's trading above the 50 moving average, that short-term trend indicator.
Yes, definitely a positive sign being above the 50 MA. Shows underlying support. But yeah, that 120K resistance is proving sticky.
So Bitcoin's hitting a wall for now. But what about Ethereum, our bellwether, currently at USD 4,774? How's it looking technically?
Well, this is where it gets interesting. The analysis thinks ETH might actually be on track for new highs soon. It pulled back a bit from that USD 4,600 resistance, forming what looked like a double top, which is usually bearish.
Right, that pattern often signals a reversal down.
Exactly. But it seems to have pushed right through that area successfully. The report mentioned an initial target of 4,500, which it passed. Now, there's talk of a potential USD 6,000 target if this keeps up. Strong support is seen around 3,800.
Yeah.
And that weaker dollar we talked about, that's expected to keep helping ETH. It's also well above its 50 moving average.
Okay, strong signs for ETH. Next up, Ripple, XRP, trading at USD 3.0346. The report suggests, after its false start last week, we might see some renewed upward movement. Looks like getting above USD 3.0500 could be the key signal for positive sentiment returning. A specific price point to watch there.
A clear level to keep an eye on for XRP.
And finally, Solana. SOL is at USD 207.84 right now. The analysis indicates its resistance at USD 200 seems to be broken. It tested it, dipped back, and now seems to be holding above it. So with that positive break, Solana might be heading towards its next major hurdle around USD 260.
Yeah, and connecting that back to the bigger picture for Solana, any more news about ETFs, especially if it involves altcoins specifically, that could definitely bring in more funds and, add fuel to that potential move towards 260.
So, putting it all together, what's the main takeaway for you, the listener? This Vantage Plus report basically paints a picture of a crypto market that, well, looks like it could keep pushing higher. Driven by a weaker dollar, key tokens breaking resistance, and this growing optimism around ETFs.
Right. And maybe this leaves you with a question to ponder. How might the dollar's next move or any fresh UTF news shape things in the coming weeks? What specific signals or developments will you be watching for now?